Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another reading video, LanguageCert Achiever B1 for Secure English Language Test. This video could be extremely useful for candidates who want to secure 4 bands in general training IELTS reading. I know many of you do not like to read, so I'm here for you. We're going to make it simpler, and I will try to solve each question type with you. Let's start. Right? Can you guys see this question on the screen? I think you can. LanguageCert Achiever B1. The title says GIL. As I always say, there are 4 steps. 4 steps that you have to follow to get your answer correctly. Step 1, read the title. Step 2, look at any pictures if you have in that paragraph. Step 3, you can read the questions. Step 4, scan your answer. In here, we do not have any pictures because it's an email. Let's have a look at it. Gil, thanks for looking after my pet cats while I'm on holiday. We don't really have a title, but we know that someone is writing an email about pet cats. Pet cats, not 1 cat, 2, 3 cats, more than 1. Now let's read the questions. Them, their, or all. Let's read the question now. Thanks for looking after my pet cats while I'm on holiday. They don't need much attention, but please don't forget to give their some food or give them some food. Cats, cats, give them. Don't forget to give them some food and water every day. What do you think? What is the correct answer here? Do you think it is them, or do you think it's there, or do you think it's all? I can hear some of you guys saying there, but that is wrong. If you want to use there, how will you use it? Don't forget to give them means the cats, their food. Don't forget to give them is a pronoun, right? Don't forget to give them some of their food. Don't forget to give them some of their food. THEIR, some of their food. Do you understand?